What is going on, guys? Sergeant's Tech Tips. I'm going to be showing you a simple way to actually get the old YouTube layout back if you're like me and you did not like it. So if you would like to find out how to do so, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so don't mind my computer. I actually have an older version of Windows because I wanted the older version. Not sure why I did, but I just wanted it, and it actually runs 10 times better. I feel like it's a lot faster. I'm on a 500 gigabyte 5400 RPM hard drive, running great. I think, although the 8 gigs of RAM and the APU is kind of helping. So what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description below, and you are going to take this code and you're going to copy and paste it. Just make sure you keep it with you, just in case you accidentally copy and paste something else. So you're going to want to go to the Chrome Web Store, because, you know, this layout sucks. Go to the Chrome Web Store, you're going to go here, and you're going to type in Tamper Monkey. Now once you type that in, there are multiple versions, but you're going to want to get the one that says tampermonkey.net. This one has it too, but that's the beta version, so you just want to get the original version. Go ahead and click Add Extension. It should pop up here sometime along. I'm not entirely sure when. Alright, so now what you want to do is, it is probably going to, it's going to open up another tab. Go ahead and close it. You are going to actually want to close your YouTube tab so it can refresh the script. So go ahead and click on this. You're going to go to Dashboard. So you're going to go to the New button with the little plus sign. You're going to erase all this. And then you're going to right-click and do Paste or Control-V, whatever your preference is. Go ahead and click the Save button. Now you should have YouTube Polymer disabled. What the Polymer is, I think it's some sort of like script thing that I'm not sure if Polymer is the newest version, but anyway. So now what you want to do is you want to go to youtube.com. Now if it doesn't work the first time, you may actually have to restart your not your computer, just your web browser in general. So if you're using Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or anything else, unless you're running a newer version of Windows 10, Microsoft Edge does not support add-ons. So try to get either Opera, which is a web browser, it's a low-end web browser, or Mozilla Firefox. So it'll work for either. And if you guys need to know how to do that, I will do it for each browser. So you can actually see that I actually have the older version. So I have proof right here, it works. Now the reason I'm showing you how to do this is because not everyone likes the newest layout, and honestly I don't, and it's just because, you know, it didn't say redo the old layout because they wanted to get rid of it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be having a lot of videos come out because I have a whole bunch of content I have not edited yet, so I'm going to try to not stay up too late. But, you know, we will see. I may try to do a live stream as well tonight after I get all those videos edited and set up to the correct date they're going to be uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. I'm going to try to add music in the video, but I want to make sure it works perfectly. If there is no music, sorry about that. Mainly because I'm not too big of a fan of that. But if you guys want music in the videos, let me know. See you guys next video, and peace out.